We're going to cook green beans this week. So green beans are very healthy, as you know. Again, fresh for all summer. We can use for any kind of. So I'm going to prepare green beans um, in a moment. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. See you on the next video. Bon appetit! Gram green beans, as you see, already chopped julienne cut. You may know this is actually we may use three kind of cooking and cutting method for green beans. One is you can use whole beans, and another one is you can cut three or special kind of cut, just middle of the green beans. These are the actual type of olive oil green beans, but this cut is actually for we use with mince for winter time, or if you need a protein to get. But I like this cut, so I'm going to cook a olive oil green beans with olive oil. But again, as you see here, I am cutting in julienne cut method. The other hand, the camera, that's why you are not seeing very best. If you're not cutting too much green beans, it is not so hard things to do. 400 gram, 500 gram green beans. If you're cooking for one person, this may be good for you for 2 days, for 2 meals, or for a a side dish for a few people, for a few soup and serve. So what else we need? We need, you see, 2 or 3 tomatoes and little bit parsley. Our green is not too much, so 2 tomatoes and olive oil. And as you see, 1 onion chopped already, and around garlic chopped or anything, just put it in the pan directly. And adding the olive oil right now. We'll wait this a little bit caramelized, don't need to too much, because what I'm telling you, as you know, I like the cooking practical, because to eat healthy. So 1 times or twice a week, or 3 times a week, I cook simple vegetables to eat something healthy. Yes, this is coming better right now. Yes, we see, going to caramelize the onions and garlic, and 1.5 teaspoon salt added in the pan. Generally, I prefer wooden spatula to mix and cook the things. And chopped 2 tomatoes. Added our top of the onions. Mix all together. This is medium heat right now. Medium pan, medium heat. 1 onion, 5 clove garlic, 2 tomatoes, 1.5 teaspoon salt, and around 2 teaspoon and teaspoon pepper, red pepper around 1.5, and 1 teaspoon kind of black pepper added in the pan. What else? Yes, now we can add our julienne cut green beans. Actually, green beans are one of my favorite vegetables, best for summer days, but you can of course consume for season. Yes, now I'm adding the chopped parsley. Parsley is not just for flavor, it's very healthy, of course. It is for water balance in our body. It's kind of diuretic, if I'm not wrong. And adding the water Mix well. One and a half teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon red pepper, chili, and around 1 teaspoon black pepper added. Green beans, pour a cup of water, and cover your pot. When you turn off the heat for lower, yeah, right now as you see it is boiling. This may take around 20 minutes or so. If you like, you can touch, and if you don't, you don't need to. And I am toasting the 2 slices of bread on the other hand side. Okay, 3 bread, white bread. This is what I like. It's very gourmet Italian olive oil bread. And my Turkish coffee is right here. This is the 3-cup Turkish coffee and 3 dessert spoon Turkish coffee inside, and 3 cup of water, and 1 cube sugar. I am using brown sugar with this. I will drink my coffee before lunch. That's why I'm cooking right now, preparing right now. Yes, green beans there, Turkish coffee here cooking. Turkish coffee is very hard to prepare, but hard to cook. In a minute, it may take a few minutes how many cup you are cooking, depending on the cup you are cooking. But overflow, do jezve, what we are using as a cup. The name is jezve. So you need to watch it very carefully with open eyes, so we don't want to overflow the coffee. This is almost on time cooking right now, you were seeing for the Turkish coffee. I'm going to show you. Bread is ready. I can take out the bread slices. Coffee is cooking. Pan is easier to use. Of course, I can use toaster to toast my bread, but this is just in a few weeks you need to clean the toaster if you are using oil. But with the pan it is easy to clean. Okay. Coffee is almost coming. When you see that fluffy things top of your coffee, it means it's coming together. Turkish coffee, you may heard before, it is the healthiest cold. After Turkish coffee, of course, espresso machine is different, but kind of similar type. This is cooking method, giving the name. Other than that, Turkey not producing coffee or something, but Turkish culture is the first culture to have coffee houses in the world, and first culture to drink and migrated all around the world. Of course, in Ethiopia, first coffee discovered and then came to Yemen, and one Ottoman Pasha saw the coffee in Yemen and bring to Istanbul. Now our coffee is ready. I'm using one hand, so that's why I'm not able to show you everything perfectly. Yes, Turkish coffee serving with small cups, so this jezve is actually not ergonomic, and every time when I'm using it is making this kind. This is important. You can use your spoon to put a little bit fluffy on your coffee. Okay, and our green beans coffee from Yemen to Istanbul, the capital city in that time, to Ottoman Empire, and from Istanbul first it's going to Paris, and then Austria, Vienna, and a little late London, and just like this. It is walking all around the world, coffee culture. So as a Istanbuler, I like to drink my daily coffee. If you don't overdrink, 1 or 2 cups of coffees a day, I assume it is healthy because every day, we are reading some new research. Some suggest, it may be good for eliminating the alcohol for your heart. But sometimes they are saying, oh, if you are drinking too much coffee, it's maybe no good for your health. But if you're not exaggerating, eating or drinking something, I believe it is, about everything balance. In balance, you can consume everything. Okay. Green beans are ready. And this beans actually serving kind of and our toasted bread. It is very healthy and light dinner or lunch, especially for summer day or spring day. But any time of the year you can consume green beans. Leaf, protein rich, so very balanced and good meal. This is a Mediterranean style, Turkish and Mediterranean style green beans with olive oil. Very simple and delicious meal. Very again, bon appetit. See you on the next video. Bye bye. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification when I upload new video.